County in central Texas, southwestern Bosque County in central Texas, northeastern Mills County in central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Hico to 14 miles northeast of Gold Point, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hamilton around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Meridian State Park around 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crane Falls Gap around 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Shive, Jonesboro, Pottsville, Olin, Gentry's Mill, Whiteway, Aylman, Pecan Wells, Norse, and Ferry. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.